Let's talk about a true Nigerian and Igbo queen, Onyinyechi Mark, who is currently trending as we speak. Born in Umuahia, Abia State, this young powerlifter has redefined what it means to break barriers and set new records on the world stage. And guess what? She's done it all with the heart of a lioness, representing Ndi Igbo with pride. At just 23 years old, Onyinyechi has already shown us that the impossible is nothing. She not only won Nigeria's first gold medal at the 2024 Paris Paralympics, but she also shattered 2 world records in just 10 minutes. Yes, not one but 2 world records back to back. And if that wasn't enough, she set 3 consecutive world records in just 1 year. Talk about leaving her mark. Competing in the women's 61 kg powerlifting category, Onyinyechi lifted an incredible 150 kg, beating China's participant who managed 140 kg and Mexico's participant who lifted 130 kg. With that, she didn't just win gold, she completely dominated the competition, showing the world that Ndi Igbo's strength knows no bound. But this wasn't Onyinyechi's first moment in the spotlight. She first caught the world's attention back in 2021. when she won a silver medal at the World Paralifting Championships in Georgia. She then came back stronger in 2023, grabbing gold at the championships in Dubai, showing that she wasn't here to play around. Her journey hasn't been without its bumps though. She faced a disqualification at the 2022 Commonwealth Games. But if there's anything we've learned from Onyinyechi, it's that setbacks are simply setups for even greater comebacks. And boy, did she come back stronger? Yes, she did. This powerhouse from Abia State isn't just a Nigerian hero. She's a symbol of hope and determination for the entire Igbo community. She's shown that with focus, passion, and a never-give-up attitude, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. Onyinyechi's achievements are a source of immense pride for not just Nigeria, but also Abia State and Ndi Igbo at large. Her success isn't just personal, it's a celebration for the entire Igbo community. So, to our golden girl, we say thank you. Thank you for showing the world that with determination and courage, the sky isn't the limit. It's just the beginning. You've made Abia, Ndi Igbo, and Nigeria proud. We are rooting for you all the way. Let us know in the comment section how Onyinyechi has inspired you, as well as pour out your congratulations to her in the comment section. And don't forget to hit that like button and share this video to celebrate our queen.
Listen to the huge roar before she gets settled. A massive roar. Warmly greeted by the crowd who respond in turn with their own. You think that was loud? We might just get something a little bit louder in a few seconds. For a new world record, 150 kilograms. The lift is complete. Eyes turn to the scoreboard, and it's a new world record again! Onyinyechi Mark with 150 kilograms. Quite remarkable. The gold medal winner here in Paris has broken the world record twice. She broke the world record in round 3, and then with her power lift went 3 kilograms more to set the new world record at a remarkable 150 kilograms.